Alright guys, so I know that beeping sound is annoying, I know that, but guys, I'm gonna be talking about this problem of why these Mercedes, like in general, have these problems, and why I say every Mercedes owner, every potential buyer need to see this, because this get me real mad, like, it get me mad, so it get me heated, guys. So we're gonna talk about this. So every Mercedes owner must see this. This is potential stuff, even with warranty. Why would you want your brake system? Look, pumping it, nothing. It won't come into gear. Why would you want a car that does stuff like that? Like me, I know I still want my CL, but why would we want a car that do this? So every Mercedes owner must see this. Like, this is just crazy. Like the stuff that's on the vehicle that basically it has brakes. The brakes are good, the rotors are good, but the actual brake system, either a sensor or something, is at fault, in which we're going to talk about right now. Let's go. So at this stage, guys, when it's red like that, the only thing you can do is get it towed. Just suck it up, get it towed. But that sucks though, because these cars be so advanced, they go off their own technology. So basically, the Germans do it different. They don't look at what Honda and all that do. They don't care if they're reliable. They go, we're not going to look at them. We're going to make the cars how we want to make the cars. Like, we're going to make them how we want to make it. If we want to put the oil pan way on the bottom, deep down under, they're going to put it deep down under. Why? Because they don't care how the other people do. They don't care about us. They don't care about reliability, all that. They don't care. Their bread and butter is by us going to the Mercedes-Benz dealer, getting these cars serviced, getting them checked every year, and paying for these silly repairs on these cars. That's our problem.
So it's all bad. This is a must-see for all owners. As you already can see in there, just look at this. This model right here is a 2004 E320. Alright guys, so I know you guys are aware of, hold on. Hey, what's up YouTube? It's 3D the Rap Star, aka it's the Benz Man. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram at it's the Benz Man. That's ITSTHEBENZMAN. And today I got the E320 with me. It's getting a little dark, guys. Bear with me. I don't have no light. Only light I have is this one right here. So I'm going to tell you what suck about this car. Basically, is the SRS, SRS is the airbag. Is the ABS, the whatever you call this, the brake system went out, guys, on the Mercedes E320. So that alone in a Mercedes has me shaking my damn head, because it make me don't want a Mercedes no more, as of which I titled it like, oh, maybe in a year I'll just get rid of the CL, because I didn't bought, like, guys, let's just check it out. So guys, I'm pumping the brakes, and the brakes are like going, it's weird. The brake, let me go on the rant. Let me go on the rant real quick, guys. I know you see my better side, but when I see red, so I get red. I'm ranting because, especially where this car is parked at, it will not go into gear. It will not come out of park. And what's making me mad is now it's gonna have to get towed somewhere because it's not coming in park unless I go in the gears. So basically, guys, this is what they did. The tow truck man came to bring it at home, and he went in here. He just took it off. He took the thing off. So now we gotta go get an estimate of this to get fixed. And we still dealing with this on the dash. And guys, if you guys know, when it turned red, that means you cannot do anything with the vehicle. So this has me thinking, why even buy a Mercedes in general? Okay, why do we like Mercedes? We like Mercedes because apparently not the reliability. We like Mercedes because the way they look, the luxury, the prestige, the heritage, the formula, the craftsmanship, the leather seats, the way the engine is made, the way they don't really use plastic parts, the way the wood accent goes with everything in the car. Guys, I love Mercedes. I'm gonna tell you this right now. I love Mercedes. That's my favorite brand in cars. So no, this isn't a bash video. This is more of a keep it real video, and why I titled it that, guys. So I'm trying to give you guys a heads up. So when you see these cars on the market, as good a prices they are, most of the time it's because they have problems, and other people, they want to get rid of it so you can get their problems. But we had this car for a while, but what's weird is the brakes, they're still brakes. Just the actual system went out as I'm pumping the brakes. So how does a system go out? Now I can't move the car at all. Like, it has a system, guys. You see that the ABS light is on. Guys, so if you guys do know what that is, or had this repair done before, leave it in the comments. Guys, so you know, to help out the community with this repair. And so when I turn it off, it's saying reduced braking effect, start engine, longer stopping distance, start engine. And so guys, this is just crazy, guys. I have to bring you this video. So out of all the good stuff I do post about Mercedes, this is the stuff where the reliability has sunken because of stuff like this. And during this time, guys, this car did merge with the Chrysler. So a lot of people comment when I have a couple videos, guys. If you didn't see it, go back, rewind the tapes, go look on YouTube and search for some of my E320 videos as I was talking about the problems these cars had. And a lot of comments says they're fairly reliable, which is true. But when stuff go out like this make me question, why did I even get a Mercedes in the first place? Just knowing like that stuff like this can happen to my CL, like all these potential problems, all this crazy stuff. And so let's try to start it again and see what happens. So we take the brake out, or I mean take the key out, excuse me. Take the brake out. So when stuff like this happens, it leaves you stranded on the road. So now, what if I wasn't by the house? What if I was somewhere else? It's things like this is why you see Mercedes, BMWs on the tow bed. And it gets me mad. It gets me, I know, guys, you may say, oh, this video was, you know, about him just rambling in a rant. Yes, that's basically what it is. But I'm just trying to inform you guys about these things that happen to these cars. Like, it's not coming out of park. It's literally like nothing I can do to even move the vehicle. And guys, so that's what it is. It's the ABS. It's the braking system. That's what I think it is. I'm not sure, guys, so don't quote me on this, but that's what I think it is. That is the actual ABS braking system. Like, I'm pumping it, and I notice on this car, when you pump it, you hear the ABS system like go zzz or make a noise that it's working properly. Now, nothing. Nothing. I'm pumping the brakes, nothing. And it's like, so the system on it, guys, is just messed up. So literally it will not come out of park. And that's my thing, guys. Always double think and double talk to yourself when it comes to these Mercedes, because as fine as they are, they have these problems and repairs.